Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn algebraic notation, multiplying terms, learning outcomes, simplify algebraic expressions involving multiplications. In algebra, the multiplication sign is omitted and numbers are placed in front of letters. For example, 3 multiplied by a will be 3a. Another example is A multiplied by B will be AB. P multiplied by Q and Q multiplied by R will be PQR. Multiply the numbers, multiply the variables. When we will expand 2A multiplied by 4B, this will be like this, as you can see in your screen. Another example is A multiplied by A will be A2 and A multiplied by A and again multiplied by A will be A3. Now practice these questions. Simplify the following using algebraic notation. Simplify these questions on your notebook and pass this video. After this, I will show you the right answers like this. Write down the expression for the area of the following shapes. Hope you guys learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and listening.